Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker on the Android phone. So, at first we need to go into Play Store and here enter search. In the search bar we have to search for the SOUNDCORE, like this one. Here we do have our application from Anchor with 10 million downloads and 4.5 stars with 100k reviews. Of course, this data is for the 22nd of July 2025. Now we have to tap install button. It may take a while, don't worry. All depends on your internet connection on your phone. The older phone, the older modem is, so the downloading speed may be slower. Here we have to tap open, and here we have to now tap agree and continue. Here we can log into our account, but it is not necessary. We can tap skip in the top left corner and tap allow for notifications. Now our application is all set up. We just have to tap add device to add our device to the application. To see the process of adding your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker to the application, check our channel because we have a video for that. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day.